Your gut health plays a crucial role in your overall well-being, affecting everything from digestion to mental health. However, many people overlook the early warning signs that their gut is in trouble. Here are some shocking signs that your gut health might be declining. Frequent digestive issues. Experiencing frequent bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea can be a clear sign that your gut health is off balance. These symptoms may indicate an imbalance in your gut bacteria or an issue with your digestive system's ability to process certain foods. Unexplained weight changes. Sudden and unexplained weight gain or loss can be linked to gut health issues. An unhealthy gut may affect your body's ability to absorb nutrients, regulate blood sugar, and store fat, leading to fluctuations in your weight. Chronic fatigue. If you're constantly feeling tired despite getting enough sleep, your gut health could be to blame. An imbalanced gut can lead to poor nutrient absorption and inflammation, both of which contribute to feelings of fatigue. Skin problems. Skin conditions like acne, eczema, or unexplained rashes can be connected to gut health. A disturbed gut can lead to inflammation throughout the body, manifesting as skin issues. Food intolerances. Developing food intolerances or sensitivities can be a sign that your gut health is declining. When your gut lining is damaged, it can cause your body to react negatively to certain foods that it previously tolerated. Mood swings and anxiety. Your gut and brain are closely connected through the gut-brain axis. Poor gut health can lead to imbalances in neurotransmitters, contributing to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. Frequent infections. If you find yourself getting sick more often than usual, it could be due to poor gut health. The majority of your immune system resides in your gut, so an imbalance in your gut bacteria can weaken your immune response, making you more susceptible to infections. Your gut health is more important than you might think. If you notice any of these signs, it might be time to take action to restore balance to your gut. A healthy diet, probiotics, and lifestyle changes can help get your gut back on track.